So it all kind of started back before the market crash, 2007. I got my real estate broker license, and right before that, I had gotten my first job, out of college, and it didn't work out kind of as planned. I wasn't enjoying the 1.5 hour commute to work in the morning and 1.5 hours back. And I thought, is this why we work so hard in lives, to go to school, to leave in the dark and come home in the dark? This sucks. So I realized that something had to change. This was definitely not what I kind of thought being a grown up and getting a real job was all about, because I wasn't really living life. And even though I didn't have kids yet and I wasn't married, I knew one day I wanted to, and that I was going to need some sort of income that let me be a stay-at-home mom. That's really what I wanted. And I wondered, how can I have my cake and eat it too? I want to make money, but I want to stay home with my family. So I got my real estate license, right? What else could you think of? I thought that was going to be the way to go. So I can make my own hours and do open houses and all those things. Well, market crash hit 2008 and things weren't really going as planned. I got in touch with some well, actually, my friend got me in touch with some real estate investors who were flipping properties in Southern California. And I started working with them, helping them find flips and short sales across the country. Well, not across the country, across Southern California, which is very large. I was driving to the desert, to Los Angeles. It was ridiculous amounts of driving. I did absolutely hate being a buyer's agent. And now that I'm in Tennessee and still have my license, I don't do that anymore.